How to check floor area in ArchiCAD. This is the shape of my first floor. So I will use the fill tool to find the area. So I'll activate fill tool, any fill, and then holding space to activate magic wand. Then can remove the fill color, change here to transparent, and then from this point click and then subtract from polygon, holding shift to activate magic wand, remove that place, and then we're going to go to label tool. So activate label tool, change some settings. We need this dimension label 24. And then you need to make sure that here you check all, and then here you make sure you have the correct font which can be visible. So I'll change this on to 21, and then I want surface area. If all of them are checked, you can uncheck volume, uncheck dimension, and uncheck projected area. If you have any pointer, you can choose from there. So I'll just click OK, then click there. Then you can see my surface area is 3423. Again, I'll activate fill tool, hold space, and then activate label tool. Then you can see my surface area. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.